Assalamu alaikum. Today we talk about again difference between leaders and managers. Difference between managers and leaders. Argument about the difference between leadership and management are presented. Leaders are considered to be visionary and future oriented, whereas managers focus on day-to-day routine activities. The section concludes that effective managers often perform many of the duties and activities ascribed to leaders, thereby making the distinction between the two concepts somewhat unnecessary. Leaders, vision oriented. Leaders are always vision oriented. The leaders are vision oriented and think about future. जबकि मैनेजर process oriented. Managers always think about process, that how the organization works in efficient manner. Protect staff. Leaders are protect staff. Managers are protect self. Protect staff. Leaders always protect their staff and motivate them towards achievement of organizational goals. Protect self. Managers always protect himself. Leaders are approaches decision actively. Leaders are decision makers and do not hesitate to take decisions in any respect. Managers always depends on the superiors and others to take decision. Leaders are self-oriented. Managers are career-oriented. Manager always think about the career, that how he moves up or develop her or his career. Listen actively. Leaders are listens actively. Managers are listen selectively. Leaders are deals with conflict. Managers are avoid conflict. Leaders are trusted. Managers are unclear regarding trust. Leaders are trusted. Leaders always trust on his employees. Manager are unclear regarding trust. He is unclear regarding trust. Today our topic is about difference between managers and leaders. I hope you understand about difference between leaders and managers. Thank you.